Hey guys, it's Chizukans here. Actually I have VSH, but I literally just come from here. There was sign. Well, that's called Squirrel. This game's for. So let me see what is going on here. This happened. Bro, why is this? It looks like. I mean, it's not. It looks like it's so. Looks like old. Okay, seriously. Okay, seriously. Why was, looks like a scratch is here, a squirrel there, Okay, that's good, it's shot, okay. Okay, what? Wait a minute. What sort of timer this is, but I mean, what's going on, bro? What's going on? Why was this coming? Wait. Wait. God is coming? What is God's coming? What? I don't know what that means. I'm sorry. This is not the same or what? This looks like God, it's coming, what? The hell is that? What? Why you look so creepy there? Wait, why was this so creepy there? I mean, what's going on? Why God's coming? I mean, wait. No. So seriously, it's not literally this. Why is God's coming? Oh no. Wait. No. Wait. Take it off. Oh no. Why am I taking off? Oh no, this is not same. The hell? No, hell no. No. Turn it off this TV. No. Get away! Get it off of the VSH! No! No! Oh damn! What did I do? What the hell? What the hell is going on?